A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that underscores the consequences of misinformation in the political arena, a U.S. district judge has mandated that Rudy Giuliani, the former personal lawyer to Donald Trump, relinquish control of a luxury apartment and a variety of valuables to two Georgia election workers, Ruby Freeman and her daughter Wandrea Shea Moss. This decision comes in the wake of a defamation case where a federal jury found Giuliani guilty of falsely accusing the two women of rigging votes during the contentious 2020 presidential election, which saw Joe Biden emerge victorious over Trump. The judge's order, issued by U.S. District Judge Lewis Lyman, stipulates that Giuliani must transfer ownership of his Manhattan apartment, luxury watches, sports memorabilia, and even a classic 1980 Mercedes-Benz once owned by Hollywood icon Lauren Bacall to a receivership controlled by Freeman and Moss within the next 7 days. This ruling is part of a larger $148 million judgment awarded to the two women, who have suffered significant personal and professional ramifications due to Giuliani's unfounded allegations. Aaron Nathan, the attorney representing Freeman and Moss, expressed pride in the ruling, stating, "We are proud that our clients will finally begin to receive some of the compensation to which they are entitled for Giuliani's actions." The court's approval also allows Freeman and Moss to pursue approximately $2 million in unpaid legal fees that Giuliani claimed he was owed from the Trump campaign and the Republican National Committee for his post-election work. While the ruling has brought some measure of justice for Freeman and Moss, it is important to note that Giuliani has been granted a temporary reprieve regarding certain assets. The judge has ruled that he does not have to surrender 3 New York Yankees World Series rings or his Florida condominium at this time, as those items are entangled in separate legal disputes. However, the assets that Giuliani must relinquish are expected to yield several $1 million, which would aid Freeman and Moss in their pursuit of justice. The defamation case against Giuliani stemmed from his aggressive promotion of a misleading video that falsely implicated Freeman and Moss in election fraud during the vote counting process in Atlanta. Despite Georgia election officials confirming that the video depicted the women performing their duties without issue, Giuliani continued to amplify the narrative, which became a cornerstone of Trump's broader efforts to contest the election results. Both Freeman and Moss have remained largely out of the public eye since the allegations surfaced, citing the toll it has taken on their lives, including constant death threats and job losses. During the trial, they shared harrowing accounts of their experiences, revealing the emotional distress they have endured as a result of Giuliani's defamatory statements. Giuliani, who has faced significant legal challenges, including the loss of his law licenses in New York and Washington, D.C., has shown little remorse for his actions. In fact, he has continued to assert the truth of his claims, even holding press conferences to defend his statements about Freeman and Moss. Following the defamation trial, Giuliani attempted to declare bankruptcy to evade paying the judgment, but was met with legal challenges that led to the dismissal of his bankruptcy case earlier this year. This ruling represents a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle against misinformation in American politics, particularly concerning the events surrounding the 2020 election. Scholars and legal experts are closely monitoring the implications of this case, as it may set important precedents for how defamation laws can be utilized to combat the spread of false information. Freeman and Moss have also pursued legal action against other entities that amplified the false claims against them, including a settlement with the Gateway Pundit, a far-right news site that was the first to publicly identify them. The terms of that settlement remain confidential, but the site has since deleted all articles mentioning the two women and issued a notice acknowledging that they did not engage in any wrongdoing. As the legal proceedings surrounding Giuliani continue, he also faces criminal charges in Georgia and Arizona related to his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results. The unfolding saga serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of spreading disinformation and the importance of accountability in the political landscape. In conclusion, as Freeman and Moss begin to reclaim what is rightfully theirs, this case highlights the critical need for integrity and truth in political discourse. The ruling not only aims to provide justice for the two women, but also sends a powerful message to those who choose to disseminate falsehoods in the pursuit of political gain. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.